Hi, so you were asking me about mucormycosis, which is also known by the name black fungus infection, which is spreading across the city right now, and with the mortality rate of 40 to 60%, which is pretty high. So a lot of people have already infected by this, and there is definitely a treatment solution, and the way you can prevent this infection happening to you. So I'm going to talk about the causes and the preventions, the precautions that you can take, but I'm not going to talk about the treatment, because the treatment has to be done by a professional medical practitioner only. There is one type of fungus that is called rhizomucor, which is found in tap water. So since I also have symptoms of COVID-19, I have been taking steam inhalation and vaporization, nebulization, and all that. So when this happens, especially if you're on oxygen sport, you're taking this inhalation for prolonged time, then you need to be a little careful what water you are using, how many times you're changing the water and stuff like that, because this tap water is also known as hard water. It contains a lot of chemicals in it, like chloride or fluoride, salt, and these residue or impurities can actually leave a lasting effect inside your nasal cavity, inside your nostrils, when you are constantly inhaling it. Okay, and ensure to wash your mask, clean it with distilled water, sterile and pure water. There are other theories that the steroids that are being used for curing COVID-19 could be one of the reasons, one of the causes for this infection. So yes, that could also be the trigger, but at the same time, it's important for you to not sleep next to the wall that is having mold or black fungus on it. It can release fungus in the air around you, and you will be breathing that, which is not good, which can easily trigger your infection. And especially if you are just finishing your treatment for COVID and coming out. And make sure that the surroundings are clean. There is no garbage dump, there is no any sort of impurity around you, and most importantly, make sure to use distilled water for inhalation. I have also done the same mistake before. I have been taking steam inhalation and all that using tap water, which was a very big mistake, until I learned that this could be causing new types of infections in the cities. Fungus. And make sure when you are choosing green leaves for your diet, ensure that they're cleaned properly, and you're not exposed to any type of toxins like these. You can see the black fungus formation on the soil, grass, pillows, and the house walls. If you see any of these around you or close to you, please stay away from them as much as possible. If you're growing indoor plants, please make sure that those are clean, and there's no black fungus formation anywhere else. In case if you are seeing any symptoms of nose bleeding or blockage in the nasal cavity, and mostly it attacks the brain, so